Can you imagine two nations, seemingly eternal adversaries, finding moments of unity and cooperation? It's a challenging picture to paint, isn't it? But as we journey through the annals of history, we discover that truth indeed is often stranger than fiction. Our story begins in the mid-20th century, in the year 1948 to be precise. The stage was set in the Middle East, and a new actor made its debut on the world's geopolitical stage, the State of Israel. Its establishment was not without its share of controversy and conflict, with the long-standing Palestinian inhabitants finding themselves in a state of discord with the new Israeli settlers. This discord soon escalated into full-blown wars and conflicts, painting a picture of perpetual enmity between the two nations. Yet, as we peel back the layers of this complex history, we find that the narrative is not entirely one of hostility. There are chapters in their shared history where the protagonists of our story, Israel and Palestine, have sought to coexist, to cooperate, and even to aid one another in times of crisis. Yes, you heard it right. Instances of unity amidst a sea of conflict. From the ashes of wars, through the corridors of diplomacy, to the heart-wrenching moments of humanitarian crises, these two nations have found ways to put aside their differences, however briefly, to stand together. These moments may be sparse, they may be fleeting, but they exist. And it is these instances that we will explore, moments that defy the common narrative and prompt us to question our preconceived notions. So, as we embark on this journey, we invite you to set aside any preconceived ideas you may have about these two nations. We invite you to join us in unraveling a story that is as intriguing as it is complex, as surprising as it is true. Now, let's delve into the unexpected instances where these two nations found unity and cooperation. Picture this, the year is 1973, it's Yom Kippur, the holiest day in Judaism, and Israel is under attack. It's a moment that could have deepened the divide between Israel and Palestine. Instead, it reveals a surprising unity. As the sirens wailed and families huddled in their homes, there were instances of Palestinians reaching out to their Jewish neighbors. In the midst of chaos, stories emerged of Palestinians providing shelter to Jewish families, sharing scarce resources, and even risking their own safety to help. It was a time when the lines of conflict blurred, replaced by the shared human instinct to survive and protect one another. These moments of solidarity and shared humanity, though brief, offered a glimpse into a different reality, a reality where mutual respect and compassion could overpower the politics of division. In the face of adversity, the people of Palestine chose humanity over hatred. Fast forward to the early 1990s, the world watched as Israel and Palestine came together in an unprecedented moment of unity. In a world often characterized by conflict and division, there are moments that stand out as beacons of hope, demonstrating humanity's ability to unite for the common good. One such moment was the signing of the Oslo Accords. These were a set of agreements reached between the government of Israel and the Palestine Liberation Organization, also known as the PLO. The Oslo Accords were born out of a sincere desire for peace. They were the result of secret negotiations in Norway, hence the name Oslo. These negotiations were a testament to the commitment of both sides to find a peaceful solution to their long-standing conflict. Even amidst ongoing conflict, instances of unity emerge in the face of shared crises. The bond of humanity, at times, transcends borders, politics, and deep-seated disputes. It is during these instances that we see the real face of Israel and Palestine united in their shared struggle. Take, for example, the global crisis we know as the COVID-19 pandemic. This invisible enemy threatened every corner of the globe, sparing no nation, no people. In the face of such a pervasive threat, Israel extended a helping hand to Palestine, providing much-needed medical aid. In March of 2020, Israel delivered hundreds of testing kits and thousands of medical protective gear to the West Bank, recognizing that the virus knows no boundaries. They understood that helping Palestine was not just an act of compassion, but also a pragmatic step towards ensuring their own safety. This wasn't a one-time act of solidarity. Throughout the pandemic, Israel continued to provide aid and support to Palestine, a testament to their shared humanity in the face of a common enemy. But this spirit of unity isn't exclusive to the pandemic. There have been instances where Israel and Palestine have come together in the face of natural disasters. When a series of wildfires ravaged Israel in 2016, Palestinian firefighters joined their Israeli counterparts in battling the blaze. They worked side by side, risking their lives to protect both Israeli and Palestinian territories. These instances of unity, though perhaps overshadowed by conflict, are a beacon of hope. They remind us that even in the midst of strife and struggle, the instinct to help, to reach out, to save lives, is a testament to our shared humanity. As we navigate through these tumultuous times, it's important to remember that the essence of humanity remains the same. It's in the small acts of kindness, the shared struggles, and the mutual aid that we see the true face of these nations. In times of crisis, the shared humanity of Israel and Palestine shines through the conflict. Despite the many conflicts, the hope for peace and unity between Israel and Palestine remains. This enduring hope is embodied in the ongoing peace initiatives, as well as in the cooperative efforts in various fields. For instance, in the realm of technology, Israeli and Palestinian innovators have joined forces to create solutions for common issues, demonstrating that unity can indeed breed innovation. In medicine, doctors and healthcare professionals from both sides have collaborated, sharing knowledge and resources to combat health crises. And in the sphere of education, there are joint programs fostering understanding and empathy among the younger generations. This hope is also nurtured by the tireless efforts of individuals and organizations working towards unity. They tirelessly mediate, negotiate, and advocate for peace, reminding us that unity is not just a lofty ideal, but a feasible reality. Though the path to peace may be rocky, the instances of unity between Israel and Palestine remind us that it is a journey worth undertaking.